In previous video I had given you 25 MCQs of the revision worksheet, and in this video I will be sending you rest of the 25 MCQs. So let's start. 26th MCQ. Why do you think the grid is sitting on the buffalo? So can you tell me why the grid is sitting on the buffalo? The answer is A, to eat insects. The grid is sitting because it want to eat the insects which are sitting on the buffalo. 27th. Which animal do we use for riding? So which animal do we use for riding? The answer is A, horse, and B, camel. Both are right answers. So we will write C, all of this. Which animal do we use for carrying load? So can you tell me which animal is used for carrying load? The answer is A, donkey. 29. How many members are there in one herd? So there is a group of animal called herd, and how many members are there in one herd? The answer is A, 12 members. 30. How many hours do elephants sleep in a day? Can you tell me how many hours elephants sleep in a day? The answer is A, 4 hours. 31st. Mud keeps elephant's skin. So can you tell me what helps mud to keep the elephant's skin? Yes, the answer is C, cool. Elephant flap their ears to keep themselves. So when the elephant feels hot, they flap their ears so that they can feel cool. In Kerala, we use small wooden boat is called Valam. So there is a small wooden boat called Valam is used in Kerala. Jugaad has been made by using. In Gujarat, there is a vehicle named Jugaad, which is used by using waste material. So answer is B, waste material. 35. How do children used to go to school in Rajasthan according to the chapter? So according to this chapter, how do Rajasthan students go to the school? So the answer is A, camel cart. They use camel cart to go to the school. 36th. The river in Ladakh are deep and wide. So the rivers in Ladakh are very deep and wide. In which state children use bamboo bridge while going to school? So in first chapter we had learned that some of the children use bamboo bridge for going school. So in which state they use? The state name is Assam. 38th. What kind of sound does Jugaad makes? So we had learned about the vehicle named Jugaad. So what type of sound it makes? It makes put sound. 39. Why do children in Assam use a bamboo bridge? So children, because of the heavy rain, the water is filled to the knee of the children. So to pass that area, they use bamboo bridge. So because of the heavy rain, they use the bamboo bridge. The answer is A, heavy rain. In which state the path used by the students are rocky to reach school? So in which state the path is rocky to go to school? The answer is A, Uttarakhand. How many person can sit in the trolley? So in Ladakh we had learned that children are using trolley to pass the path. So in that trolley only 4 person can sit. 42. If it is too sunny or rainy, we use our, yes, the answer is A, umbrella. 43. The front side of Jugaad looks like. So children, have you seen the Jugaad? If no, then in your textbook there is a photo of Jugaad. You see that and tell me the front side of the Jugaad looks like. Yes, the answer is C, motorcycle. In silent and dark forest, you can hear the sound of, yes, you can hear the sound of birds as well as creatures. The answer would be C, all of this. Which is the best season on to go to school? Can you tell me which is the best season? Yes, it is B, summer. The trolley is attached with the trolley which is used in Ladakh is attached with the iron rod. 47. Can we use the ears? Can we see the ears of the crocodile? So students, can you see the ears of the crocodile? No, we can't see, right? What helps the birds to hear? Can you tell me what helps the birds to hear? Yes, tiny holes which are there on the body, but they are called ears. So the answer would be C, both. 49th. Which animal have feathers on their skin? So I have given you 3 options. Can you tell me which animal have feathers on their skin? Yes, the answer is A, pigeon. 50th. Which animal whose ears can be seen? So can you tell